clear bit of glass. This is just picture frame glass that I'm using, 2mm picture frame glass. I usually get it from a charity shop. I like the idea that it was protecting an image, but now I've repurposed it to become an image. I'm going to put a solution called collodion onto the plate, and it's got a lot of alcohol and ether in it, so it's a little bit smelly, but the alcohol and ether evaporates away and it leaves a very thin skin of emulsion on the glass. I'm going to try and pour this out here and not spill too much on the library carpet, and then I'll pop it into the dark room. It's a bit like, I don't know, the consistency of maple syrup, and the idea is that it stays on the plate with everyone looking at me. We'll see what happens. And once it's covering the plate evenly, we just let the waste go back into the bottle.
Well, that was pretty impressive.
I would pat myself on the back, but okay, so I just give it a shake. That stops any ridges forming on the glass. And so at the moment, that solution isn't sensitive to light, but once it's been in the silver for a couple of minutes, it will be. This is a light type box, so no light can get into the plate. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Right, that's you can probably just about see Jim on there. I want to see that if I do that. The image is upside down, the back to the front. That's just laws of physics. It worked that time. Okay, so this has now got the plate on it. There's what's called a latent image. So there is a chemical image on there of Jim, but not until the developer's been on it that you'll see that image. So I'm going to go into the box, pour a developer on, which is going to give me a negative looking image. Starting to brighten up already. So from there, it just goes in water to wash the chemicals off. It dries off, it gets varnished. Image of Jim at the moment, which is the negative. It's a little bit dark, that's just the lighting, but we'll put it in the last tray. So what this does, this washes away all the silver that hasn't been exposed, and it's going to remove this blue tint and leave us with a positive looking image. It takes about 20-30 seconds. Looks like it's disappearing, but you are in there, hopefully.
We're done for your process.
Here we go.
Oh, wow.
So it's quite underexposed, so I need to adjust my exposure, but if I bring it round, you'll get the idea of... Yeah.